my friends? It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I, and these are 10 fantastic stretches, poses for men, for guys, for dudes. So share it on, building strength and flexibility using only your body weight. That's all we need to make a massive difference. In any of these poses, you can modify as you see fit, and of course, practice, practice, and practice. Feel and look better every darn diddly day. Let's begin with downward facing dog. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Lifting up. Bend the knees to modify or just bring the knees down to the mat. Spread the fingers wide. And release the upper body. Shake the head back and forth. Relax the shoulders. Great for stretching the whole back of your body. The hamstrings, calves, spine, back muscles, and the glutes. Let's do 3 more breaths. In the nose, out the nose. You can always isolate these poses one at a time and practice, practice, practice. Also great for sports, for athletes, for athletic performance. All right, let's bring the right foot forward for a low lunge. Left knee is down. You could slide that back as you see fit. Stagger the feet, fingers down, or take the hand up on top of the thigh. Hinging slightly, draw the shoulders back, a nice strong stance, stretching your hip flexor, working the front leg. Let's do 3 more breaths. Really breathe into the sides, into the back. Good, working the quad. Feel like Captain Morgan? I do. Excellent. Let's do the other side. Always balance out the sides. Left foot forward. Woo! There we are. Fingers down or hands on the thigh. 5 breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Cleanse that breath. And always find a spot to focus on. Hip extender, hip flexor, stretching. Good. Now flowing right into the Cobra. In yoga, we like to flow from one pose to the next. So come down onto your stomachs, hands under the shoulders, legs extended back. Inhale, lift, open the chest. You can also take the hands off the mat if you want a little more of a challenge. So you're stretching the spine, opening up the front of your body, activating your abdominals too. Great abdominal stretch. 2 more breaths. Lengthening through the tips of the toes and the crown of the head. All right, exhale, slowly roll down. Feel that excellent stretch in the spine. Perhaps the cavitation shows up. And press back, downward facing dog. Good, soften those knees, keep it loose. As you progress, you're going to sink those heels further down towards the floor, all the weight shifting back into the heels, relaxing your lower back. 2 more breaths. Good, lots of breathing. Stretch out the ribs with the breath. Breathe like there's a big inner tube around your waist. All right, I want to show you something I call runner's lunge. You don't have to be a runner to do it, but it's a great hamstring stretch. So we come back to the low lunge. Left knee is under the hip. We're going to stretch this leg right here. Hands are down, stretch. Keep it up here, or you can sink all the way down. Perhaps that's for later. There's always a later if you're practicing. There's always a little bit more. You can also draw the toes towards you to really activate the calf. 3 more breaths. Good. With each exhale, lengthen behind the knee, right here. The inhale gives you a chance to take a breather, literally, soften, and then stretch. There's a fine art to good stretching. Always involves the use of the breath and a little bit of movement to keep the pressure off. All right, other side. Left foot forward, and then at your discretion, rock it back. And rock me Amadeus. Remember, you can come all the way down here if you're working. This adds the quad element If you're not ready for that, don't do it. We got this body weight here. It's all body weight, no weights, no machines, so the possibilities are endless. So instead of security measures on a machine or a bench, you use your hands. Use your body to make sure you honestly move into the stretches. All right, one more breath. Okay, moving into the dolphin pose. Dolphin is down dog, but with your forearms down. Palms flat. Forearms, you can modify with the knees down and press back, or bring it up here. Dolphin is a massive stretch for your back, your shoulders, your arms, your legs, and perhaps other areas in between. Let's hold for 5 breaths, shifting the weight back into the heels, and always relaxing the upper body. Let's take one extra breath. One more. How you feeling? You shaking? Let me know below, which of these poses did you enjoy the most? And which one do you really want to work on the most? All right, bring it down. Let the blood move out of the head. Shake out the arms. Always good to shake it out. Keep it loose. Keep it loose. Okay. Side lunge. We did the low lunge. Now the side one. Modification, the knee is down, this leg comes out, fingers down or sitting up tall, stretching the adductor right here, abductor, I'll have to look that up, or the full side lunge. We open up this hip, this leg opens, draw the toes towards you. Fingers down or take the hands together, making it a very powerful balance pose. 5 breaths, either one. Back of the neck is long. Remember, the breath is moving outwards like this. In yoga, we focus on that breath. It's so important. The breath brings energy and focus and power. And of course, release. Good. 10. These 10 poses are yours now. Very valuable. Practice them, savor them. Woo. Okay, other side. Find your side lunge. Here we are. 5 breaths. Slow the breath down. Fill the lungs a little further. Empty them a little bit more. Ooh, I'm shaking. Shaking with joy and excitement. All right, downward facing dog for just a moment. Great chance to shake it out, shake out the legs. You can shimmy the shoulders, the neck. We're gonna go into a lunge with eagle arms. So adding more to a pose we've already done, we can just keep adding on to it, making it more and more effective. Now, you can keep that back knee down like before, or extend the back leg into a full crescent lunge. Hands can stay on the thigh. If you wanna add the eagle arms, this is a big back and shoulder stretch. So good. Right arm forward. Left arm goes underneath and around. The fists can be here or bring the palms together. This is eagle lunge. Definitely more challenging, but what is training or life without challenges that we can work to overcome? Inhale, lift up a little bit. Exhale, draw down. So get your core into it. A lot of balance. And the legs working overtime. 2 more breaths. But so good for the back, opening the shoulders, stretching the forearms, and increasing our focus and our joy of living, right? All right, unravel those arms, open the chest, cactus arms. Always good posture, shoulders back and down, chest is open, abs are strong. And let's go to the other side. So back to down dog, a little shakeout. There we go. And when you're ready, the left foot forward, we have low lunge or crescent lunge. Whoa, feel that? The earth is shifting. So keep it here or arms up, or if you want to do the eagle, left arm forward, right arm underneath. You can practice eagle from any position, standing, sitting, laying down, hovering. And You will feel it. Let's say that again. You will feel it. Sometimes I switch my vowels around. 3 more breaths. Inhale up a little bit. Feel that movement in the core. Stretch that back leg. If it's up, the right heel is sinking down towards the mat. Getting that huge stretch. Whew. All right, release. Cactus arms. Open the chest. Little extra credit right here. Okay, let's go right into a tall warrior position. Warriors are very important in yoga. Open this hip, stretch that back leg, turn the foot in. Try to line up your heels. Here's warrior position in the legs. Now, tall warrior, take the arms up. If you want, lace the fingers together. Index finger and thumb out. 5 breaths. As you exhale, sink down into the leg, building a nice strong quad as you stretch this back leg. Ooh, so good, so good. Shoulders relaxed. Even as we're reaching up, relax the shoulders. All right. Let's just go to the other side. We're right here. Can always connect to a pose from another pose. Smooth and fluid. Here we are, arms up. On your exhales, draw the belly button into the spine. Oh, the sun is spying on us. I can't look up too far. So I'll look down here. I'll look right at you. Sink it down with the exhales. Keep this leg open, not too much, but right in line, heels together. Whoop. That was spontaneous. Beautiful. Extended tree. Shake out the legs, shake out the arms. All right, how you doing? Good times, my friends, good times. Open up the hip, either one's fine. Hands together. Bring this heel below or above the knee or ankle on the thigh. Can always keep the toe down also. Balance pose. Find your focus. Hands together here or take the arms up over the head. Extended tree. Touch down, 5 breaths. Your standing knee, the straight one, soften it slightly. That was a weird inflection. Good. Let this whole area, when you breathe in, it expands. Let it pooch. Let's all pooch together, right? Balance is earned, it's never given. Practice, practice. I say that for myself. All right, cactus arms, open the chest. Keep it there as we switch to the other side. So we're always doing something very, very positive for ourselves. In any of my videos, any of my classes, we are always focusing, getting stronger and more flexible every day. Here or arms up, 5 breaths. I believe this is the 9th stretch/pose of this video. There's one more, so don't check out yet. You're gonna love number 10. It's most people's favorite. And one that starts your day perfectly and one that ends your day perfectly. All right, cactus arms open. Feet down, legs down, shake it out. All right, that's not the pose. That's something different. All right, final pose, number 10. This will be the lying spinal twist. So down to the mat or wherever you are. Just don't be on a bed of nails. Okay, bring the knees into the chest. Drop the legs to your left. Now from here, you keep it like that or extend that leg down and extend the top leg. Work up to it. Upper body's moving gently in the other direction. Could reach this arm out. 5 breaths. Relax. A great skill yoga will teach you is how to release and how to relax. It worked, very relaxed. All right, switch to the other side when you're ready. You can always hold any of these poses longer, just hit pause. It's all yours, my friend. Here or extend it out. 5 breaths. the plane. All right, one more deep breath. Practice that breathing. I want you to be thinking about the breath and these poses all day long until we can do them again. All right, here's an extra credit. This one goes to 11. All right, bring the knee in, both knees, knees to chest, wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. All right, my friends, well done. Thanks for joining me today for these 10 poses. Yoga for men, yoga for dudes, yoga for guys. Hit subscribe, like, comment, and share. You can also let me know below which was your favorite and which one do you need to do the most work on. Love to hear back from you. I'll definitely respond. Coach Vigue, Vogue with an I. Oh wait, there's just one more thing. And to show my appreciation for your support, I want to give you a free 30-minute yoga video from my exclusive membership app. All you got to do is click the first link in the pinned comments below, and the video is all yours. I suggest doing that right now.